2013 Audi A8 with 4.0T twin turbo V8. Very, very fast car. And let's take a look under the hood. Okay, here we have the 4-liter twin turbo V8 with the turbochargers right on top of the engine instead of on either side. The exhaust flow is reversed on this engine, as you can tell. Obviously, intake is into the sides of the cylinder heads and comes out through the top. Very different arrangement from what we're used to. Lots and lots of heat shielding here. I just drove the car a few minutes ago, and let me tell you, the heat is just pouring out of this thing. I'm not even going to touch those heat shields. I'm sure my skin would come right off. All-wheel drive, ZF 8-speed transmission. And performance is pretty amazing for a car like this. It's, obviously, we have oil cooler lines all over the place. This looks like a wastegate. I can't imagine that it would be a wastegate in a computerized car, but God only knows. It sure looks like a wastegate, doesn't it? There's its twin on the other side. There's a catalytic converter down there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm about to melt my camera, so I can't get any closer. But yeah, amazing engine. 2,000 PSI fuel injection, too, on the direct injection. Alright, we're going to take this down the drag strip next video. Motor Trend claims that this car turns a 12.6, and we're going to find out, aren't we? There you go. Audi 4.0T. Twin turbo V8.